Today, we're going to make a marbled cake, Savannah style, super soft, and always with a little touch of indulgence, with chocolate and pecans. It's so delicious. Let's get started. I start by cracking 4 eggs into a mixing bowl. I add 180 grams of sugar, and I beat the eggs with the sugar. Next, I add 115 ml whole milk and mix again. After that, we're going to add the flour. I put in 200 grams. Use equal parts flour and cornstarch for a lighter cake. After adding flour, I whisk hard to avoid lumps. You can also sift the flour to make sure there are no lumps. After that, I pour in 100 grams of melted butter and mix everything well until it's smooth. Don't forget the pinch of salt. Like in every cake, it helps to enhance the flavors. I also add a packet of baking powder. The packet is equivalent to 7 grams, and I mix everything well. My cake batter is ready. I set it aside. I melt 90 grams of dark chocolate in the microwave or in a double boiler. It doesn't matter. And then I will divide the cake batter into 2 equal parts. So the first part will be flavored with chocolate and the second with vanilla. You can also flavor your cake with caramel or praline, for example. First, I add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix it all together. Feel free to tell me in the comments what kind of store-bought cake you would like to see on my channel. Thank you! I pour the melted, slightly cooled chocolate over the cake batter and mix well until it's smooth. Next, you take a loaf pan, butter it, and flour it well to prevent the cake from sticking. I'll put the dimensions of my pan in the description. You can also find the ingredient quantities there. I pour a good layer of vanilla batter, then chocolate batter, and I keep alternating like this until all the batter is used up. Next, I roughly chop some pecan nuts and cover the surface of the cake with them. You can substitute any nuts or omit them entirely. Then, I bake the cake at 170 degrees for 1 hour. When it comes out of the oven, I let my cake cool down a little before taking it out of the pan onto a rack. I place a stand underneath and pour melted chocolate over it. I put the chocolate in a piping bag to drizzle it thinly. We set it on a serving dish, and now it's ready to enjoy. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. See you soon.